Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a kraken. Let's begin by sketching the main body. Draw a large oval shape which will form the kraken's central mass. Next, add a smaller, slightly flattened circle on top of the oval. This will be its head. Finally, lightly sketch 8 curved lines extending from the body, indicating where the powerful tentacles will go. These initial shapes are your foundation. Now let's bring those tentacles to life. Follow your guidelines and draw 8 distinct tentacles, making them thick where they connect to the body and gradually tapering to a point. On the underside of each tentacle, add rows of circular suction cups, varying their size slightly for realism. Then, on the head, draw 2 large, prominent eyes. These details really start to define your kraken's menacing presence. To give your kraken a more realistic feel, let's focus on texture and shading. Use techniques like cross-hatching or stippling to create a rough, leathery texture on its skin. Apply darker shading underneath the body and tentacles to give them weight and depth, making them appear three-dimensional. Finally, add subtle highlights on the kraken's skin to suggest a wet, reflective surface, as if it's just emerged from the deep ocean. For the final touches, carefully refine all your lines, making them crisp and clean, and erase any initial sketch marks that are no longer needed. You might also consider adding some background elements, such as swirling water bubbles or even a few small fish to enhance the scene and give your kraken a sense of scale. And for a fantastic upgrade to your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Your kraken drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.